Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. We already discussed about number system, basic gates and all types of Boolean postulates in digital electronics. And also I will teach the practical application of digital electronics in my channel. We already discussed about OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NAND gate and NOR gate using discrete circuit components. And also I will discuss about the circuit implementation of De Morgan's theorem, first law and second law also. Those who are not visit my channel, please follow my channel for clear understanding of your electronic science subject. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In today's lecture we will learn why NAND gate is called universal gates. Basic gates implementation by using NAND gates हम सीखेंगे आज. Okay, so let's get started. In today's session, we discuss about why NAND gate is called universal gate. Because NAND gate have the important properties that by using only NAND gates repeatedly, one can get the logical functions of OR gate, AND gate and NOT gates. That's why NAND gate is called universal gate. By using circuit implementation, one can easily understand why NAND gate is called universal gate. So, next slide पे चलते हैं. So, this is the circuit implementation of NOT gate by using NAND gate. We know that NAND gate has two inputs. If we short circuited the two inputs, then we get one input. So here we short circuited the two inputs of NAND gate. And from this, one connecting wire is connected with a switch, that is switch 1. Switch 1 is act as an input A. Switch 1 is connected with the 5-volt power supply. It is DC power supply. Positive terminal is connected with the switch and the negative terminal of the 5-volt power supply is connected with the ground terminal. Now, the output of the NAND gate is connected with the light emitting diode D1, which is referred as Y output through a 330 ohm resistor. 330 ohm resistor is connected to protect the LED display, otherwise it will be damaged. The P side of the light emitting diode is connected with the resistor and the N side of the LED display is connected with the ground terminal. Okay. So, here we saw that this pin number is 1. This is pin number 2. So, 1 and 2 pin number is short circuited and from there we get one input connection. And this output terminal pin number is 3. So, from here we connected a resistor. This resistor value is 330 ohm. So, this is the circuit implementation of NOT gate by using one NAND gate. How this work? If the switch is open, that means when input A is 0. We saw in the truth table that when input A is 0, output will in on condition, that means D1 diode in glowing condition. When switch is closed, that means input A is in one condition, that means output is in off condition. So diode D1 is in off condition. Okay, so this is the inversion of input connection. That means when it is 0 we get one output, when input is 0 we get one output, when input is 1 we get 0 output. So this is the inverted output we saw here. So this is the overall circuit design and function of a NOT gate by using one NAND gate only. Okay. So this is the AND gate implementation by using NAND only. Okay. Here we use two NAND gate. One is here connected, another one is here connected. Chip number is 7400. First condition. First chip diagram हम देखेंगे. Okay. तो this is pin number 1, this is pin number 2, which is connected with switch 1 and switch 2. Switch 1 is act as an input A, switch 2 act as an input B. Input A and input B is connected with the positive potential of the 5-volt power supply, and the negative potential of the 5-volt DC power supply is connected with the ground. The output terminal of this NAND gate is connected with the input of the second NAND gate. Input of the second NAND gate has been shorted. That means this output terminal either connected with this terminal or this connected with this terminal. This terminal has been shorted. From this output terminal we connect a 330 ohm resistor, and from here we connect a LED display. The P side is connected with this 330 ohm resistor. It is used to protect the LED display, and the negative potential of the LED display is connected with the ground terminal. So first condition, when input A is 0, input B is also 0. That means switch 1 is open, switch 2 is also open. This is 0, this is 0. So from here we get A dot B bar. That means here we get one output. This one output is connected with this input terminal, either this terminal or this terminal. So from here we get 0 output. This 0 output means LED is in off condition. So here we saw that LED is in off condition. So first row of the truth table has been verified from this circuit diagram. Second row, that means when A0 B1, this condition, when A0 B1, this is 0, this is 1. So 0.1 we get 0, 0 ka inversion we get here 1, 1 is this one is connected with this input terminal. So here we get 0, and this 0 shows that the LED will be in off condition. So LED is in off condition, here we saw. So this is the second condition of the truth table. Third condition, when A1 be 0, that means switch 1 is closed, switch 2 is open. So this is the condition. This is 1, this is 0, this is 1. So this is 1. This one is connected with this terminal, and from here we get 0, and thus LED will in off condition. Okay. So this is the third condition of the truth table. Last condition, when A is 1 B1, that means switch 1 is also closed, switch 2 is also closed. This terminal is one input, so this is also one input. So here we get 1.1. 1.1 means 1, output 0. Here we get 0. This 0 is here, and 0 from here we get one output, and this one output shows that the LED will in on condition. So here we saw that the LED is in on condition. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram of AND gate by using NAND gate. Okay. And from here we also saw the truth table verified. Okay. So by using NAND gate we can easily design a AND gate circuit. In previous slide we saw by using NAND gate we can easily design a NOT gate circuit. Here we saw, or in this slide we saw, by using NAND gate we can easily design a AND gate circuit. Okay, next slide पे चलते हैं. So this is the circuit implementation of OR gate by using NAND only. Here we use 3 NAND gate. Chip number is 7400. One NAND gate is connected here, another one is here, and the other is here connected. This input to terminal has been shorted. From here we connected, we get one input, that is input A, which is connected with the switch 1. This input also has been shorted. From here we get one input, that is input B, which is connected with switch 2. Switch 1 and switch 2 are connected with a 5-volt DC power supply positive potential, and the negative potential of this DC power supply is connected with the ground terminal. We know this is an inverter circuit and this is also an inverter circuit. So if this input is A, so from here the output terminal we get A bar. If this input is B, from output terminal, that is here, we get B bar. So this A bar and B bar is now connected with this input terminal of this NAND gate. So this is the output terminal, which is to be referred as Y. So from this output terminal, what we get? We get A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar whole bar. Okay. So A bar dot B bar whole bar means A bar whole bar plus B bar whole bar. So A bar whole bar means A double bar plus B bar whole bar means B double bar. What we get? A or B. So from this output terminal we get Y equal to A or B. This is a 330 ohm resistor which is connected with this output terminal. From here we get output device. We connected, so here we connect a output device, that is light emitting diode. P side is connected through a 330 ohm resistor. To protect the LED display we connect this resistor here, and the negative potential of this LED diode is connected with the ground terminal. Okay, so first we saw the first condition of the truth table. That is, when switch 1 is open, switch 2 is also open. That means input A is 0, input B is 0. If input A is 0, input B is 0, so this is 0, this is 0, this 0 and 0 has been shorted. This 0 and 0 has been also shorted. So here this is because this is a inverter circuit, so here we get one output, and from here we also get one output. So this one and this one is connected with this input terminal of this NAND gate. So this is 1, this is 1. So here we get 0 output. So this 0 output, what shows? That means LED will be in off condition, or LED will not glow. Okay. So this is the first row of the truth table. Second row of the truth table, that means when input A is 0, that means switch 1 is open. Input B is 1, that means switch 2 is closed. So here we get 1 output, here we get 0 output. This 1 and 0, here we get 1 output. So this 1 output means LED will be in glowing condition or in on condition. So this is the second condition of the truth table. From the circuit diagram it is also verified. Okay. Third condition, when input B is open, means it is 0. Switch 2 is open. Input A is 1. That means switch 1 is closed. That means third condition, 1 0 condition. Input A is 1. Input B is 0. So here we get 0 output. Here we get 1 output. So from here we get 1 output. So LED will in glowing condition or in on condition. Okay. Last condition, when both input are in logic high state, means this is also in one state. So input A is one state, input B is also in one state, that means switch 1 is closed, switch 2 is also closed. So this is 1, this is 1, so here we get 0. This is 1, this is 1, so here we get 0 output. So this 0 is connected here, and from here we get 1 output. So LED will be in glowing condition or in on condition. Okay. So this is the circuit implementation of an OR gate by using NAND only. And also from this circuit we can easily verify the truth table of an OR gate. Okay. So that's why we called NAND gate is universal gate, because by using NAND gate, in previous slide we saw that NAND gate help us to design a NOT gate circuit, to design an AND gate circuit. In this slide we saw that NAND gate is by using NAND gate we can easily design a OR gate circuit. Okay. So basic gate implementation is done by using NAND gate. So that's why NAND gate is called universal gate. So here we end today's session. Okay. So here we end today's session. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.